If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Meyra bag by SewingArtz. This is such a beautiful bag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it has piping along the front and the back. I've made this one with double-sided straps. What's really unique about this bag is there are eyelets in the strap, so you can make this as short or as long as you want. It's completely adjustable for a shoulder bag. It's so cute. It has a super unique shape, a recessed zipper, and on the inside we have a slip pocket and a zipper pocket. It's a smallish to medium bag. I would say somewhere in the middle. I don't know. I just love it. It can be made in cottons, it can be made in canvases, it can be made in faux leathers like I've done here. This would be fantastic for a feature panel or a feature fabric if you really wanted to show those off. I've seen this bag in the testers pictures, and they all take on their own personality based on what you choose for fabrics for this. So if you are one of my clients and you would like a Meyra for yourself, you know what to do. All of my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.